Remember, Anchor Supplies have all sorts of bolts. We have bolts that you can even use to do your exercising. Look at these champion bolts. Champion bolts. Remember, for everything you want, Anchor Supplies have it. From a pin to an anchor. Visit Anchor Supplies for everything you want. Fire extinguisher, nut and bolt, oil, seal, bearings, you name it. Anchor Supplies have it. And remember, if you want to do some exercising, Anchor have the bolt for you. You understand? 1, 2, 3. Look at this bolt. We have bolt as big as that. 10-pound bolt. And we have bolt as small as this. See this? Yeah, man. Anchor Supplies have it for you.